Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see a super Brom which is very smooth and stable. It had negligible lag in system UI and also not any major bug in this ROM. All the things in this ROM are working very fine. You can see the system UI with animations which are perfectly working. There is no lag in the animations and app transition and app exchanges. So today we are going to discuss the Havoc OS version 4.6 latest official based on Android 11 June security update, and the kernel is here Ichorius. So today we are going to discuss about this ROM. Let's find out what's special in this ROM. Like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Like a scarf with double cap to sleep options. These options are working perfectly. You can see double cap to sleep on home screen. Also, lock screen is perfectly working. You have no issue to use these options. And if we talk about network and internet connection, so you can see the Wi-Fi connectivity, hotspot and Bluetooth connectivity is very good in this room. You will have no issue connecting your Bluetooth speakers or any problem in its sound quality. And if we talk about here calling features, so you can have very good sound in calling, but you will not have any video calling or native Wi-Fi calling option in this room, but you can record your calls easily. For this purpose, as I always say, use Nick Core apps only if you want recording option in your call settings. After this, we are going to check the display options here. So let's find out what's special in display. Nothing is changing in last cupcake. Everything is same, just like, but just the smoothness and stability have been increased in this update. So you can see some features here like battery options. So you can see battery savers, mark LED, active charging option which are working very perfectly. If we talk about battery backup, it's very good. Also the hacking issue is not in this ROM. Normal hacking, negligible hacking you can see, but not much hacking. You can see also the LED light is working perfectly. Also the active charging based on charging level and temperature is working perfectly. You will have no issue to use these options. So in case of battery, this ROM is very good, you can use. Let's talk about display here. Brightness level, dark theme is working perfectly. Also the night light in Kansky is very good here, so you can use the night light in Kansky also if you want to use. And if we talk about a skyline wallpaper, easily you can set any wallpaper, and also you can customize the look of your ROM just simply by here creating a custom style of your choosing font or choosing icon style and accent color. So you can see also different options available here to customize your theme look. So you can see I have set a new look of my canvas style, so you can also set these options easily. You will have no problem here. You can see lock screen icon, cap to wake and cap to sleep option here which are working perfectly. And if we talk about sound here, the sound is normally good, you will have no issue. Also the vibration is working perfectly here, so sound is just normal. You can see also your volume caps given, so you can use this option also if you want customize your volume decreasing or increasing options. If we talk about security, you will have all options here present like screen lock, app lock, fingerprint and face unlock which are working very perfectly. You can easily customize this option and use it for your apps. So these are the options some I have used. If we know about accessibility, you can see magnification, color correction, color inversion. These options are working perfectly without any problem. Also system navigation, you can easily customize the left edge, right edge and hidden zone of Gasker navigation. So this is the feature I like main in these ROMs. So you can easily customize option. You also can update this new update from previous 4.5 just like OK update, but you can also download it from link given in description. So after it, we are going to check some configurations and here. There are many customizable options like status bar, clock, logo. You can easily customize these also network speed. If we go for quick setting, you can row and customize row and column settings. Also ambient display, you can see it is working very good. You will have no issue to use AOG option in this ROM, so you can easily use this option. Also you can customize the brightness level of ambient display. After you can see button navigation, gesture, notification options and battery options. You can also see the three finger swipe down option is working perfectly. Quick screenshot. You can also here customize notifications, hacking, also sleep mode. You can easily sleep mode on GIS in GIS ROM. So you can save ultimate battery using your phone on sleep mode while not using. So these are the some basic customization options you can use in GIS ROM, which is very common to all ROM. So you can use these options. Also the face unlock is working perfectly and fingerprint lock is working perfectly. You can use it without any lag or delay. If you need here any information about banking apps, then you can see all the banking apps working perfectly like Yono SBI and Yono Like. Also the Paytm is working perfectly. Here you will have no issue to use this option in this app. Also PhonePe is working perfectly. You can use any Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay app in this ROM without any problem. But the problem I got is that app. The name is Ingo Assist banking app. There is some problem like rogue problem. So this app is not working here, but all other banking apps are working perfectly. You can see HDFC Net banking is working perfectly. Also you can see here Ingo Assist app rogue or jailbroken devices it is not work. So this app is not working. Otherwise all the other apps Paytm, Google Pay, PhonePe is working perfectly. You can see also the Play Store device. It is certified here, so you will have no any problem. If we talk about Geekbench score, you can see normal Geekbench score you go here, and SafetyNet Kekas is successfully passed here. You will have no issue in this thing. Also you can check in the Naked Casker. The ROM is by default no cropping, which is very good thing in this ROM. So I expect it from this ROM. It is no cropping. So after it you can see a other option like camera app. This is the normal camera we found almost in almost ROMs. Normal camera with good features and customizable options. So you can use this camera or install any other Google camera for your ROM if you want more personal and professional options for your photography options. So this is a simple camera with normal setting, so you can use this camera. After it, we are going to check some QoS style options. You can see customizable option here. I have checked recently. If we talk about its customization, you can easily customize the option. If we talk here working of this option, you can see flashlight, night light, dark image working perfectly. You will have no issue to use this option in your theme like rigging mode is working perfectly. Also Yogi is perfectly working. Also the sleep mode you can directly access it from here, which is working very good. So you will have no issue to use this option here, which is working very good. So this is the ROM which is very stable and smooth. You can use this ROM for normal usage without any problem. So this is the ROM which is very good and stable and smooth, which can be used for daily driver. After it I am going to check the gaming experience of this ROM. So let's connect it with my gaming gamepad and let's find out what's gaming experience in it. Before going to gaming, let me show you the battery and temperature here. You can see the temperature here is 43 degrees Celsius and 73. After it, I will play game in it, and you can see some after gaming, the temperature will be raised to 47 degrees Celsius. So if I talk about gaming here, the gaming is normal, not much stable and good gaming. So I will not prefer this ROM for gaming. So guys, in this video it is enough. Let's make in next video. Enjoy the gaming.